Now let's get started by creating our first application. Now going to the terminal and running the command ng new my app. Now we will be creating a hello heroes component, heroes app, and it will ask about some questions. Routing, yes. Then it will ask about the style sheet, and after it will take some time to create. Now once it's get created, now going to our heroes app, and now running the command ng serve -open. Now it will compile this application and open it on localhost 4200, and it will take some time. Now once the compilation is complete, now opening the heroes app folder structure, let's analyze its folder structure, what it is. Like in this there is E2E that is used for end-to-end testing, and there is SRC which contains the app folder assets in which we can save our images, any SVGs or any. And in the app folder there is the app routing module, and there is the app module which is also known as the root module, which I have discussed in the previous video, which is the main module, because in this module there are all the declarations that are gets done, and there are the imports that we are needed for our application to run. Then there are the providers which are used for the services, and then there is a bootstrap. In the app.component.ts we will write here the logic about what we want to display or any other functional logic. And then there is SCSS which is used for writing the style sheet, and there is app.component.html. You can see there is a lot of style sheet they have written in it. And now once it's completed, now you can see that on the localhost 4200 there are resources, there are the material icons they have used, and you can click on any of this component, and here you can click on any of the component and get its command to get created and use it. In the next video we will be starting with our first basic concept, that is interpolation.